Audio CD 2, Track 50, Part C, Listening for It. 1. This drink is actually quite filling.
What is it?
We take papaya and mix it with milk.
That does sound good. Is it sour?
Sour? Not at all. In fact, it's quite sweet. 2. I really love this dish, but I try not to eat it all the time.
Why not?
It's deep fried, so it's greasy.
I see your point, but I love oysters, so I'm going to try it anyway.
3. I can't believe people eat insects. This dish sounds terrible.
You should try it first. You'd be surprised.
Really?
Yes, really. They taste like French fries. We dip them in salt and pepper.